hungry. We are finding something for breakfast. Now we are here, Pizza Express. So look, I ordered this orange juice for me and only drink, and I made a pizza with these stickers, and I am the Pizza Express chef. Today we're going Conquer Island. We are at the Peak Tram station. And we'll go up in the tram. A long time ago, in 1888, Hong Kong built something very special called the Peak Tram. It was like a magical train that went up and down a big mountain called Victoria Peak. People loved riding it because it was so much easier than walking up the steep hill. At first, the tram had a steam engine to pull it up the mountain. Later, they made it run on electricity. The Peak Tram became super famous. So now we are in the tram and look at the view. Now we are at the peak. So this is the view. You can buy souvenirs, paintings, and anything from here. We are out of the cave and now we are going. It's a surprise.